This little tester right here will be your best friend when you're doing stuff like this. Welcome to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today we are at Riff Rafters Campground here in Fayetteville, West Virginia. Just barely outside of the nation's newest national park, the New River Gorge National Park. This gentleman is having some electrical issues. When he plugs too many things in, it kicks a breaker, trips a breaker. And he seems to think that almost all the outlets plus the microwave are all on the same breaker. So this has been an ongoing issue, so I told him that maybe that breaker is getting weak. But if that is true, that all that stuff is on one breaker, there's the problem. I mean, we may change the breaker just to see if it gets any better. But this little tester right here will be your best friend when you're doing stuff like this. Let's get started. So here is our power distribution panel. Here's the main. This is the air conditioner. The next one is it's actually two circuits, two 15s. One says microwave, one says water heater. The next one is a 15. It says GFCI. And then the last one says receptacles, and then converter. Oh, so the microwave and the water heater are on one breaker? Are you kidding me? That ain't right. Both those should be on a separate breaker. Wow. Okay, let's well, that's wild. Alright, first thing I want to do is verify a couple of these circuits, make sure that they're actually marked right, because typically they are not. We do, I don't know if you can see it, but we do have a display. The two little green lights are on the display on the microwave. Let's cut that breaker off and see what all dies. So the microwave should be that one. Let's verify. Okay, the two little green dots are off. So let's see, where are our outlets? Oh, here's one. Plug my tester in. This outlet is good. It's still live. You can't see the back side. That's the bad thing. That's the only bad thing I don't like about this tester, is the fact that it should have a voltage display on both sides. That would be my suggestion. All right. There's one GFCI in the kitchen. It's right there. There's another one up there that is also on that same circuit, and then in the bathroom where the commode and the sink's at. There's one that is marked receptacles. That is a receptacle beside the bed and the TVs. And that's all the receptacles I can find in this thing. The refrigerator, the 110 volt heating element, is going to be on one of those. Which I would assume would be the GFCI. So I don't know. I'm going to see if I get a double 15. I'm going to change that breaker that's marked GFCI and the microwave and water heater together. Ain't right. I can totally see if the water heater's on electric and you pop something in the microwave, kicking that breaker. Yeah, it don't make no sense. They should have been separate. So let me see if I got a double 15 and a battery for this camera, because it's about to die. It's blinking, 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 red. Danger, danger. All right. Well, this is going to be a stupid video because I don't have a double 15. I got double 20s, I got 20 15s, I do not have any double 15s, and no, I am not going to put a heavier breaker in it. That is a big no-no. I mean, owners, you can do whatever you want, but I can't do it. So I'll just tell this guy what I found. Just weird that the microwave and the water heater's on the same breaker. Both those are pretty high draw items, and they should never be on the same breaker. Not room to put another breaker in there. And they're all doubles, right? Yeah, they're every one double, so nope. Oh, so that's gonna be it for this one. Stupid video. Get down in that comment section. Let me know what you think. And I guess I'm gonna go up the road and fix another one, or try to anyway. Y'all have a great day.